Oh, look at that one sitting there like that.
Alright, let's go to the Sea Lion Christmas show.
Hold it up. Hold that paper up. Hold it up.